So for a lot of people, gardening from a seated position is going to be a great option for them, whether they have mobility impairments or decreased endurance. So they could be sitting in a garden scoot such as this, or even from their wheelchair. But one of the limitations that they're going to run into is limited reach. So even if you've had a raised bed garden, I can't reach very far using my garden tool. And certainly to bend over and reach all the way to the ground would be a struggle. So a great option to compensate for that are some of these tools. So this is a longer handled tool, but it's not as long as a standard long handled garden tool. But what's really nice about it is that it's got a telescoping handle. So by quickly turning the handle, pulling open, you can adjust the length of your tool. So this is going to be really nice to allow me to garden down on the ground from a seated position, or using some of the other options, using a cultivator. Even if I was on a raised bed garden that was waist high, this is going to give me extended reach that I wouldn't have otherwise.